today. Thank you, folks. Good afternoon. You having a good day apart from the rain? Yeah, thank you. Can I introduce a couple of beautiful singers for you? Beautiful ladies. Mr. Dave Clark, keep the hands together. And Miss Joni Payman. Alright, great songs for you from me, Darren. This next song is called Crackling Rosie.
We're recording live at the PKD Festival in Dalgety Bay, and I'm with Tam Scott. He's a tribute act to the great Neil Diamond. Just come off stage. I mean, how's it for you this year, Tom?
Oh, it was fantastic. This is probably my 5th year now. Pity the weather's not too great. The crowd's here and that's the main thing. It's fantastic. I've really enjoyed it.
Yep, the crowd certainly get behind you. I mean, seeing all the arms up in the air earlier, you got right behind you. It's fantastic to see.
Yeah, nothing like about Sweet Caroline or Crackling Rosie. You know, everybody seems to know it. Forever in Blue Jeans, and this year having a couple of backing singers with us, Mr. Clark and Joni Payman, brought the sound really right out, and it was great. Really enjoyed it.
I must say, I mean, sometimes at points the backing singers kind of overshadowed you a wee bit.
Oh, did they? Yeah, that's because they're singers in their own right, and they're very good, probably better than me. Yeah.
You've certainly got the stature and the mannerisms. I mean, you've also studied the man, Neil Diamond. You've studied him in great depth, eh?
Oh yeah, I watched a lot of videos and I've been to a few shows and listened to the music a lot of times, you know, just to try and get it right, you know, for the crowd, you know, and that's the most important thing when you're a tribute singer. It seemed to work today. They really enjoyed it. Yeah.
And that shirt, I mean, where did you get that shirt? I mean, the American shirt with the flag in it. I mean, how was that?
Yeah, well, you've got to hunt to get these sort of shirts, but I picked it up off a person that makes them up. I don't think it was quite made to measure, you know, it was a little bit big, but it fitted. It looked good.
It looked good, yeah. It certainly looked the part. Well, we'll hope to see you in 2015 at the Pushcart Derby, and it's been a pleasure speaking to you.
Yeah, thank you very much. I hope to be back here, and the girls will be back next year. If you're not here this year, come along, because it's a great day out.
Hi, this is Bruce from Big Country, and you're listening to Radio West Fife.